Everyone, welcome back to the new video of AP Knowledge Point. Today's video is about current affairs 28 March 2026. Key developments in India's infrastructure, economy, international trade, and regional weather as of late March 2026. Infrastructure Noida International Airport inauguration. On March 28, 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Phase 1 of the Noida International Airport at Jewar, Uttar Pradesh. Developed on a public-private partnership model at an estimated cost of rupees 11,200 crore. The airport initially handles 12 million passengers per annum, that is MPPA, with plans to expand up to 70 MPPA. The project includes a 3,200-meter runway capable of handling wide-body aircraft and a multi-modal cargo hub designed to boost the logistics sector. Designed as a net zero emission airport, intended to operate alongside Delhi's IGI airport to reduce regional air travel congestion. Second, economy and energy, fuel prices and union budget. Fuel prices, despite a rupees 10 per litre cut in excise duties by the central government on 27 March, retail prices for petrol and diesel remained stable on 28 March. The government directed this fiscal relief to state run oil marketing companies to bridge under recovery gaps caused by Brent crude prices reaching nearly $122 per barrel. Union Budget 2026-27. The government estimated total expenditure at rupees 53,47,315 crore, a 7.7% increase from the previous year, with a targeted fiscal deficit of 4.3% of GDP. Notably, the Rural Employment Scheme, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (MNREGA), was replaced by Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act in December 2025. Third, international trade. Expansion of FTAs. India has significantly developed its global economic integration through a series of free trade agreements, that is FTAs, concluded deals. Negotiations for India Europe FTA, described as the mother of all deals, concluded in Jan 2026, providing preferential access to 97% of European tariff lines. Agreements was also finalized with the UK, Oman, New Zealand, and EFTA, that is India Europe Free Trade Assessment, in 2025-26 fiscal year. Ongoing negotiations. India is currently negotiating trade deals with US, Israel, ASEAN, that is Association of Southeast Asian Nations, Canada, and the Gulf Cooperation Council GCC. Fourth, stock market significant decline. On March 27, Indian equity benchmarks suffered a sharp decline, with BSE Sensex plunging 1,690.23 points and NSE Nifty falling 486.85 points. This sell-off was attributed to geopolitical conflict between the US and Iran, elevated crude prices exceeding $100, and persistent foreign fund outflows. The Indian rupee also hit a record low of 94.82 against the US dollar. Fifth, weather. Regional forecast for Telangana. The Indian Meteorological Department IMD issued a yellow warning for Telangana, including Hyderabad, valid through early April 2026. The region is expected to experience isolated light to moderate thunderstorm, lightning, and gusty winds of up to 40 to 50 km per hour speed. Maximum temperature in Hyderabad is projected to hover around 38 degrees Celsius. So let us see some questions and answers. Question 1. What is the initial annual passenger handling capacity of the Noida International Airport? The answer is 12 million passengers per annum. Question 2. Which legislative act replaced the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act? The answer is Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act. Question 3. What is the targeted fiscal deficit for the central government in the financial year 2026-27? The answer is 4.3% of GDP. Question 4. How much did the central government slash excise duties per liter for petrol and diesel? The answer is rupees 10. Question 5. What is the central government estimated total expenditure for the fiscal year 2026-27? The answer is 53,47,315 crore. So ending this video here. If you like this video, like it, share it and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and to get notified for the new videos, press the bell icon.